Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Opportunistic Routing with Congestion Diversity in Wireless Network Networks. Abstract. We consider the problem of routing packets across a multi-hop network consists of multiple sources of traffic and wireless links while ensuring bounded expected delay. Each packet transmission can be overheard by a random subset of receiver nodes among which the next relay is selected opportunistically. The main challenges in the design of minimum delay routing policies is balancing the trade-off between routing the packets along the shortest paths to the destination and distributing the traffic according to the maximum back pressure. Combining important aspect of shortest path and back pressure routing, this paper provides a systematic development of a distributed opportunistic routing policy with congestion diversity, that is DORCD. DORCD uses a measure of draining time to opportunistically identify and route packets along the path with an expected low overall congestion. DORCD is proved to ensure a bounded expected delay for all networks and under any admissible traffic. Furthermore, this paper proposes a practical implementation which empirically optimizes critical algorithm parameters and their effects on delay as well as protocol overhead. Realistic QualNet simulation for a 802.11 based network demonstrate a significant improvement in the average delay over comparative solution in the literature. Let us see the flow of our project. First, we have to form the network. This consists of our a number of nodes, that is our sensor nodes as well as the routing nodes, that is source and the destination node. We have to sense the range, that is a minimum in our project we have to sense a range up to 200 or 250 meters. Then we have to implement this DORCD protocol. For that we have done two characteristics, that is congestion diversity as well as handshaking process. In this congestion diversity we have to identify the routing decisions, that is the protocol takes the routing decision which a node have no congestion, so that is happen in this place, and we have to done the handshaking process is done in three ways, that is three-way handshaking process, that is relaying, sourcing and the acknowledgement process. If it is validated, the data transmission, that is successful data transmission is done via the source and destination, then performance evaluation is calculated based upon the energy, delay, throughput and packet delivery ratio. Let us see the output of our project. First open the VMware workstation, in that open the terminal window. In that we have to first change the directory what we have the project, so cd space the code directory, then our code file. This is our syntax for running our TCL file. TCL is nothing but tool command language, that is ns space main.tcl. So in our project we have to identify the distance between the nodes as well as the code diversity, that is congestion diversity. It is calculated depending upon the time. So time slot between the node is displayed and the xy position of that node is also displayed, and we have to maintain one neighbor file, that is our routing table file is maintained in this place. So when we call this ns space main.tcl, it will works on this our process, that is our routing table is constructed. In this the outputted window is NAM window, that is network animated window. In that window we have click on this play forward button, it will works. We have to increase the speed as well as if the nodes is in very small distance, it translates directly to the destination. There is the source translate the information without any relay node. If we again running this file, now the nav windows, that is the nodes in this network is randomly positioned. So now our source and destination is very in another place. If the source and destination is in long distance, that is one node is in the south corner and another node is in west corner, means this translate the information via the relay node. That is the node which have a highest energy or the node which is less congestion. Now the territory is so this node have this congestion, so it accept the relay node and transmit the information to source to destination via this relay point. So now this node number 35 is act as a relay node and it transforms the information to this destination. We have processed three-way handshaking process. So RTS, CTS and acknowledgement message is sent via this circles. So this is our RTS message and this is our acknowledgement. Each packet have the different acknowledgement and at sent at a different time. So the protocol information also done via this place. For running our graph file, that is comparison file, we have to open the terminal window and type awk space -f space thr.awk for throughput calculation and our out.tr, that is our trace file. When we click on this, then type xgraph space, it will generate one xgraph file, that is thr.xgraph. When we run this file, it will generate one xg file, that is plotted from that trace file out.tr.